Name James, balance 50,000, bank HDFC. Address, again one more dictionary. Address, one more dictionary. Name, street, Gandhi Nagar, city, street, city and state. Print customer means the entire dictionary will be printed, right? Customer of name, James. I want to print only this Hyderabad. How can I print only this Hyderabad? If I say customer of address means this entire dictionary will be printed. Customer of address, if I say. But if I want this city to be printed, yes.
Customer of address.
Customer of address of city. Two keys I need to forward. Customer of address dictionary, and that again city. In this way, customer of address means dictionary, right? From the dictionary again city. It gives Hyderabad. Understood? Whenever you got a dictionary within a dictionary, first you give the outer dictionary key, within that again in a dictionary. Dictionary of address of city. Customer of address means the entire this inner dictionary. It prints. This one it prints Hyderabad. Customer of address. Len of customer of address. What is the length? Name Kohli. Age 30. His wife details like Anushka. Age 28, right? City. Printing his name Kohli. Printing wife name, wife of name. It prints that. Okay. Details of wife means this entire dictionary will be printed. Yes. And print the details, right? Understood. If I want to print his name, details of name. Printing his wife name is details of wife of name. Two keys. Okay. Take these two examples first. Finished, right? Now we'll see one task. What is the length of this dictionary? Length of the dictionary is what?
One.
Length of this dictionary?
One.
One key and value. Value is what type? List type. Value is what? Can I change this Mumbai to Ahmedabad or no?
Yes.
Try to say how can I do it? Hmm. X of cities means list, right? X of cities means what? List. This is the list, right? X of cities means list. X of cities of
One.
1. X of cities of 1 equal to X of cities means this list. In that list, first element, Ahmedabad, right? Ahmedabad. Print X, now you see. Print X, that's fine. Run module. Ahmedabad you got, right? This one way direct method. This first method. Second method. Okay. Second method. Second method. Second method is, for example, observe carefully. For example, x equal to list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? I got what is stored by x. For example, x equal to 10. What x is storing? What x stores? X stores the address. If I say print x, it goes to the address. At that address, 10 is present, it will print it, right? That's x is storing the address. Similarly, who is storing this list address? Who is storing this list address? X. Who is storing the x address? X. If I say print x, it goes to the address and prints that. At that address, the list is there, it prints that list. What is happening internally? Print x means it goes, x stores the address. If I say print x, it goes to the address and prints the content at that address. Who is storing this list address? Who is storing this list address? X stores the dictionary address. The entire dictionary is there, right? X storing the entire dictionary address. Print x, type of x, id of x means type of x, dictionary type, address is address. Who is storing this list address? It is string. Cities is what? A string, right? Cities is what? A string, right? Fine. X of cities. X of cities. X of cities. X of cities means what? What is output you get? X of cities means what is output I get? I'll be getting list. X of cities means what? List. I store the list in Y. Y equal to X of cities. Now, can you please answer what is type of Y? Type of Y is what? List type. Type of Y is what? List type. And I'm making that address. Okay, print Y, type of Y. List type. Print Y means it prints the, okay, this entire list. Type of Y will list type. Now, who is storing the list address? Y is storing the list address. Y is storing that list address, right? Okay. Okay. Observe this output once. Print Y and type of Y, everyone. Why is this error? Okay. Here, remove this. Why this list came in the middle? Example you are taking. X of cities. Now you see this X is now X of cities. Now you see it run model. Okay, for who is storing the list address? We have taken one example. Right? So now see this. This is what list, and this is what type of it is list type. List type. Run model. X of cities. Okay, that's fine. Now, uh, y of one is what? What is the value of y of one?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. So let me just keep this in comment. Let me keep these two in comment so that it is no modification done. Ahmedabad, Mumbai only. What is y of one? Mumbai only. It's not Ahmedabad. I kept both in comment. Y of one equal to. I want to change it to Ahmedabad, right? Ahmedabad. Y of one change to Ahmedabad. Print y. What is the y value it is going to print? What is the y list? V list means Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi. That's fine. But print x you say, what is the x value? Print x, if you print, will it print x a dictionary? In the dictionary, is it going to print Pune, Mumbai, Delhi or Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi? Pune, we have changed y of 1 to Ahmedabad. Print y means okay, y of 1, Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi. But x if I print, is it going to print Pune, Mumbai, Delhi or Ahmedabad, Delhi? Yes, Mumbai, Delhi. Those who are in the online, yes. Ahmedabad or Mumbai? One second. Yes. Last. Yes. Hmm? Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi. The answer is Ahmedabad, Delhi. X of cities means what? Y. X of cities means list. The list address code by Y. X of cities means Y. Y means this original this list address only I'm assigning to Y, right? Original the list address only I'm assigning to Y. If you are changing anything in the Y means this will be reflected in this, right? I'm changing to Ahmedabad means it goes to that address and changes that Mumbai to Ahmedabad, right? So observe this. First observe this. Pune, Ahmedabad, Delhi. In the list also it will be Ahmedabad. In the dictionary also, right? List is going to have its address. Means we are assigning that address to Y. Go to that Y address and change that Mumbai to Ahmedabad. Understood? Understood? Yes. So which method is easier? This first method is the direct method. Take this one. Okay, changing Ahmedabad to Chennai. Okay. Okay. Next, understood, right? Here we can modify even key value is there. Dictionary has got key and values. Within that values also we can modify. It is a list, right? List modifications allowed. Even dictionary also allowed, right? Dictionary also is mutable. Only tuple is immutable. Remaining all are mutable. These connections. Okay. Fine. Now coming back. Okay. Answer this. The same example I kept in this document, you can just go to okay. Ahmedabad to Chennai. Now try to answer this, everyone. Here, I will try to confuse you. Don't get confused. Yes. Normal variables. X equal to 10. I'm assigning X to Y means X address assigned to Y. X assigned to 10. X address assigned to Y. X comma address of X, Y comma address of Y. Address of X and Y same or different? Same. Why? Because X address only assigned to Y. Means address of X and Y are going to be same, right? X equal to 20. I modified the X value to 20. Yes. X address only you are assigned to Y. X address modified. Now Y also gets modified or not? Modified. Yes or no? Yes. I won't modify. Simply see normal variables we are discussing in the initial classes we have discussed, right? Diagrammatically, I'll show you. Yes. X value is what? 10. One object. Yes. 103070. This is the address that is given to X. Next, what you are doing? The same X address only you are assigning to Y. You are saying X equal to Y. The same this address only assigned to Y. X and Y address same or not? Slowly what you did, X value are modified to 20. A new object gets created, right? With value 104080. Yes. Now X is pointing to the new object. X is not pointing to the old object. Now where Y is pointing? X address, Y address same or different? Different, right? If X value changes, Y value also changing? No, right? Understand? If X value changes, Y also will change? No. X value changed to 20, but Y value won't change. Y value is what? Still 10 only. Okay. Again, if I change that X value to 10, X value was 20. Again, I modified to its original value 10. Now try to see address of X and Y. Will it be same? Same. No RS. Same. So the address of X and Y will be same. Because observe here. X value 20, that's fine. Now again I will say X as 10. Do you think one more object gets created? No. Already this object Y is there, the same address will be given to X, right? Already that object 10 is available in the memory, right? Understand? X address and Y address will be same. What happens to the previous, this 20 gets deleted, right? By the garbage collector. Fine. Now again, Y equal to 20, if I say, now X and Y address same or different? Different, right? Understood, everyone? Yes. This is regarding integer variables. If I come to the collections now, yes. If I come to the collection data types, I'll just give you time to write. X value 10, 20, 30. The X address only I'm assigning to Y. X and Y address same or not? Yes. Same, right? Z equal to 10, 20, 30. X is 10, 20, 30. Z also 10, 20, 30. X and Z address same or different? Different. Different. Because Two lists cannot have the same address. Now they are looking same. Later you can remove, you can add elements, right? That's why X and Z address are different. But X and Y same. Okay. Now you try to answer. X address, Y address same, Z address different. Now if I modify this X of one value, that is 20. X of one value 20. If I modify to 25, you are assigning the X to Y, right? If I modify that X of 1 to 25, do you think in Y also it gets modified?
No, sir.
Hmm? No or yes?
No.
The answer is yes. Yes. The answer is it gets modified. Very simple. X is pointing, Y is pointing to the same list, right? If I'm modifying the X of 1 means Y also gets modified. See, observe this diagram. X is there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? A list. It is going to have some object created. It is going to have some 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Okay. Some address 103070. The address is given to X. Yes. Now X is what? X is a list. One object got created. X address assigned to Y, I said. X address assigned to Y means the same address assigned to Y, right? Now X of 1 modified to 25 means it goes, this is X of 0, this is X of 1, this is X of 2, and so on. Okay. This X of 1 modified to 25 means it goes to this X of 1, modifies this 20 to 25. Modifies the 20 to 25. Now print X 10, 25, 30. Now you print Y 10, 25. So if you're modifying X list means Y also getting modified or not? Yes or no? Understand? But in the case of integer, one more separate object gets created. Here separate objects won't be created, right? So these are mutable, those are immutables. Integers are immutables. These are mutables. Fine. Understood now? So X of 1 if you are modifying to 25, Y also gets modified. Address of X and Y, same or different? Same address. If Y of 2 I am modifying to Y of 2 means this 30. If I am modifying to 3.4, Y of 2 is what? 3.4, right? Y of 2 is 3.4 means If I am modifying the y means x also gets modified. Y of 2 I am modifying, right? Y of 2 equal to 3.4, right? Y list if I am modifying, Y list I am modifying, X list also getting modified. Y list Y of 2 I am modifying to 3.4 means this is getting modified. Which one? This one only, right? 30 to 3.4. If Y I am modifying, X also gets modified or not? Hmm? My query was Y of 2, Y list if I am modifying, X list also gets modified. I must. Yes or no? There is no X list, Y list. Both lists are same, right? If X modified, Y modifies. Y modified, X also modified. Why? Because you assign the X address to Y. Yes. Here, X address is assigned to Y. I'm saying X address means Y address. Both are same. They are pointing to the same address, right? If X modified means Y also modified. Y modified means X also modified. Understand? Y of 2 3.4. Now try to observe here now. X equal to 70, 80, 90. Now try to say X address, Y address same or different. X address, Y address same or different. Because X is a new list created with a new address. Y is still pointing to that older one. Understanding, right? So once check these things practically. Now make a note of this. Make a note of this and try to execute this and check this. Take your own values. Yes, yes, got some query. You got some query?
No, sir.
You got. So try to take your own values, okay, and try to experiment it everywhere. Some lists, collection types you take, and some integers or fundamental types also you take, so that you can understand much better. Finished? Fast. Okay. Observe this example once. Students, what is the length of the dictionary? What is the length of the dictionary? One key and one value. Value is what? List. Key is what? This one. Understood, right, everyone? Length of the dictionary is only one. But X of students. Type of X of students is what? Type of X of students. List type. I want the response. Those who are in the online, I want response from you also, right? Type of X of students. List type. Len of X of students is. Len of X of students 3. Len of X of students means X of students means list. List means what? This length is what? 3, right? Length is 3. This is understood, right? I want to print only the James. James is there, right? James is entire details and one dictionary. I want to print only James details. Only that dictionary I want to print. What is it? X of students of 0, right? X of students of 0 means, observe this. X of students of 0 means this dictionary, yes. And this type is dictionary type. Length is what? Length of the text of students of 0. 3. 3 key value pairs. 3 key value pairs, right? Okay. That's understood. Now, accessing the first dictionary. Accessing this first dictionary. That is first student details. What is that? Accessing the first student details. That is that first dictionary. What is that? X of 0. The same thing, right? X of students of 0. I want to see this. This is the question. I want to print the name Alia. Here the name is here, right? How to print that name? X of students of 2. X of students of 2 means the entire dictionary it will print. X of students of 2 of name. X of students means list. In that list of 2 means dictionary. In the dictionary, if I want the name, X of students of 2 of name. In this way, right? X of students of 2 of name. Understood, everyone? Yes, sir. Make a note of this up here. Fast. Fast. From this coming Monday, we'll be going with 2-hour session. I'll be starting with the concept called regular expression. So timing will be from 12 to 2 for everyone who are attending this class, right? All 12 to 2. So Python is there, the database. I'll be showing you Python database connection from Monday, mostly from this coming Monday. I'll be discussing Python database connection. Database is compulsory, right? For any application, database is compulsory. Your data details will be stored in that. I'll be whether you know or knowledge on that or not. I'll be showing you the installation of one database and basic SQL operation, basic operations of the database. Next, Python and database connection set. So you'll be having that session from everyone. Those who are attending this class currently, right? The dictionary class. Those who are attending, everyone need to attend from 12 to from Monday, not from tomorrow as usual. Okay, finished, right? Now, can I apply for loop on a dictionary or not? If I got a list of 5 elements, if I apply for loop, how many times for loop executes? If I got list of 5 elements, if I apply for loop, how many times for loop executes? 5 times. If I apply on a dictionary, if a dictionary of length 5, how many times the dictionary for loop executes? 5 times. But you be getting key or value or both? Only keys. Only keys is going to print. Yesterday we have discussed, right? Axing all students using for loop, that is axing one by one. See, if I observe this, try to say one by what is this? For P in X of students, I'm applying for loop on a dictionary or a list. I'm applying for loop on what? And list I'm applying. Now X means dictionary. X of students means list. What is the first P value it takes? The first dictionary, right? In the list, the first element is this. In the list, what is the first element? The dictionary. Second element is what? Second dictionary. Third element. So how many times for loop executes? 3 times. 3 times, 3 dictionaries are printed, right? Axing all the students using for loop. That is axing one by one dictionary. Axing one by one dictionary. Displaying values of each key of each inner dictionary. Displaying values of each key of each inner dictionary. Okay, first observe this output what? Run model. Observe the output of this current type. Okay, what it is going to print? First dictionary, second dictionary, third dictionary. Right? First, second, and third dictionary. So observe this. First dictionary, second dictionary, third dictionary. It is printing. That's fine. But I want only the values of each inner dictionary. Means like this. I want only the values. Means here James value CSC J in this way. I want James CSC J. I want only the values. Arjun EC MGIT. Only these values. Alia IT VNR. Yes, only the values I want. Yes, how to print only the values? How to print only the values? Yes. Yes, somebody said. Students of P. Students means okay. No. Actually, students of okay. For P in X of students, I will say. P in X of students means P means what? P means what? The dictionary. P means what? Dictionary. P of name I want means what is that name you will get? P of branch. P of college. Okay. P of name. P of name means James. P of branch means CSC. P of college means JNK. Similarly, P second time for loop executes P take the second dictionary. In the second dictionary, P of name it takes the name. P of branch is branch and P of college. Branch, name, branch, and college. All the three are printing, right? So three times it executes, three times, three names, three branches, and college. In this way, you will get the output. You will get the output in this manner, right? First time, second time, third time. Understood, right, everyone? Write this. Up to here, you write. Up to here. I want the output like this. Observe this. Finish, right? I want the output like this. Next is I want output in this manner. Previously, you got the output like this, right? Now I want output. This first one is there, right? This first one. This first name, James CSC JNT, right? Name James I want. Branch CSC I want. College JNT. For the first one, you will get 3 lines. For the second one, also 3 lines, right? Name Arjun. Branch EC. For third one, also I want three. Okay. I want in this manner, name James. How can I print? Key value, key value, key value like. Okay. How can I print? For P in X of students, name, P of name, branch, P of branch, college, P of college. This is not in the hard coded format. If you want in the hard coded format, for loop within for loop. This is not in the hard coded form, means we are giving the name, branch, and college. I am printing the name, college, branch. But P in X of students, observe this carefully. P in X of students, right? What is the P? The first dictionary. Again, for Q in P, means I'm applying for loop on that dictionary. What is the first key? First key it takes. What is that? Name. Q is what? Name. P of name. P of name. First dictionary of name. Means what James. Next, Q takes branch. Branch colon P of branch. Next, Q takes college. College colon colon. This for loop, inner for loop executed. Finished. Next, P takes the second dictionary. Again, for the second dictionary, P is what? Second dictionary. Again, for you are applying for loop on the second dictionary. Q takes a name, branch, college. 3 times it executes. Q understood. Next, P takes third dictionary. Again, this inner for loop executes for name, branch, college. This outer for loop executes for every dictionary. This inner for loop, every element, every key. Understood, right? So this is direct, this hard coded form. Understood? Both results the same output. Right, and check this output, right? Understood, everyone? You are supposed to experiment these things. You will understand much better. Change the inputs and change why not list, why not tuple, why not sets. We can have anything within the dictionary. List is allowed, tuple is allowed, set is allowed, dictionary within a dictionary is allowed, integers, float, tuples, everything. Next, I'll be discussing here. Up to now, we are discussing dictionary within a dictionary, right? List of dictionaries. Okay, now I want to modify the dictionary value. I want to change this name. Observe this. Everyone try to answer. I want to change this name some Alia to some Sonia. Yes. How to change this? X of students of 2 of name equal to Sonia. Any name you can. Yes. Here, X of students of 2 of name equal to Sonia, right? Fine. X of students of 2 of name equal to changing the name earlier to Sonia. Here, X of students of 2 of name equal to. Understood? Fine. So I'll stop here for today. More discussion on the dictionary. Tomorrow we'll be discussing, right? Tomorrow I'll complete the dictionaries. Okay, and we'll go with some separate other topic. Finish writing up to here, everyone. Yes.